Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. It's Sal Governale from Big Meals, Small Places, and today I am making a holiday Italian antipasta with pinwheels consisting of sharp provolone, prosciutto, and sopressata. And I'm going to show you exactly how I make it.
First, we start with lettuce. Then add tomato. Now add some cucumber. Beautiful brown olives. Delicious green olives. Sweet sliced roasted peppers. Fresh marinated mozzarella balls. And artichoke hearts. Now, let me show you how to make the prosciutto sopressata provolone pinwheel.
Okay, so what you want to do is lay your provolone cheese down flat on a cutting board, and from there, add a layer of prosciutto. Add some prosciutto to it, which I'm doing right now. Make sure it's cut nice and thin. That's the key. You want nice, thin prosciutto. And it tastes so good, it's so great. So distribute your prosciutto and your provolone cheese. Make sure the cheese is mild or somewhat sharp. It tastes much better for an Italian antipasta. From there, add the sopressata and layer that on top. So we're gonna add a layer of the sopressata salami on top of the prosciutto and the sharp provolone cheese. And now we're gonna roll it. Take the bottom of the provolone gently with your fingers and then give it a nice press and repeat the process. Slowly, but then a nice press to keep the cheese and the meat together. And then do that again. Nice press like that. And one final time. From there, give it a good squeeze. Pick it up. Pick up the meat and cheese roll, give it a good squeeze. Okay, now we're gonna cut it and make the pinwheels. Cut down the middle first. Look at that. And then cut it again. About 1 inch on each pinwheel. And cut it again. Repeat the process. Press down on the cheese and meat. It helps keep the cheese together. This is a sharper cheese, so it breaks up a little bit. But if you squeeze down and press, don't worry about the cheese getting a little loose, it'll be fine. Just do your best. The cheese, for the most part, will stay intact. And then you take these beautiful pinwheels that we have right here. And you apply that to your salad. And here are the pinwheels on top of the salad. And that's basically it. And here it is, the Italian holiday antipasta. You can make it for any event. Make it for a friend, you can make it large, you can make it small. It's great for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Hanukkah, whatever you prefer. Here it is. Have a great and safe holiday.